All right, let's talk about this Amazon Basics electric tea kettle. It's a 1.7 liter electric tea kettle. It promises fast boil time. I'll walk you through the features about it, things I like about it, my testing with it. Yes, I tested it, and also maybe a drawback or two. So the big thing is how fast does it heat up water? That's kind of the most important thing here. I tested it at 1.5 liters, and it took 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Now, your results will vary based on the temperature that you started with the water, and who knows, maybe some other factors, but that gives you a good baseline. I compared this up against a few others, and that's pretty much right in line with what today's electric tea kettles are, hot water heaters are boiling at. It's got a 1500 watt motor, and so that's, as you're looking and comparing, that's going to be what you want to look for in this range. To fill it up, you just go ahead and press this button here in the handle. This pops open, you fill up your water. You can see inside of there's nothing inside like a bonus tea filter. I've seen those before, nothing like that. It does have a filter you can see in here to filter the water as you pour it out. And that is nice. You'll be surprised. You go to clean that out every once in a while, and it will have some stuff up against it. So you can see the heating coil in here if you look closely. So that's what's going to heat up the water. It detaches if you haven't seen these before, so it turns into a very nice, elegant pour container. And then this is the heating pad, as it were. The cord comes. And I don't love that it doesn't affix in here. I'd like it if I could snap the cord in. The base is very lightweight. The cord length is not too long, but I think it is long enough. But if you need a long cord length, basically make sure to pay attention to that. So once you have your water full, you're just going to set it down on here, and you're going to flip it on. You push, and it goes on. Now, for me, a slight drawback to this model compared to maybe some others I've owned in the past is that this is the only light that indicates that this is running. Now, it'll start to heat up immediately, and you can hear it churning. I like it better when there's more light because I will look over and I will see it from a distance, whether it's still heating, i.e. the light's still on, or whether it's done heating, i.e. the light's off. So again, it takes about, I'm going to turn it off just so the noise goes away. It takes about 6 minutes and 50 seconds, or basically about 7 minutes at 1.5 liters, less water, less time. And then when you're done, you can just pull it off and pour. I use this in my office. Overall, very happy with it. Had it for a little while. It has lasted for quite a while. I do enjoy this. Hopefully you have heard the upsides about it. It's very elegant looking. It heats water very fast, and it's a very simple product. Downsides, small downsides, but maybe a better light source would be nice. All right, I hope you enjoy. Good luck.